it is really true that women are really wired to multitask. This is me just back from work, and on my way home, even I was already thinking of what the family is going to have for dinner. So immediately I got home, I had to put some rice in the rice boiler, and while the rice was boiling, I was chopping up and preparing the ingredients for the chicken curry. I decided to make chicken curry because it's something that everyone likes in the family, and it's also easy to prepare. So chopped up my tomatoes, onions, and the chicken fillet. Once I slice and chop up all the ingredients that I need, it makes my cooking go seamless and easy. So once everything is prepared and set aside, I went in with oil in a pan and allowed my oil to heat up. So it was time to add my onions. Added my onions, allowed the onions to saute a bit, and then went in with my tomatoes. Allowed the tomatoes to dry up a bit, and then went in with my diced chicken. Cooked the chicken for about 2 minutes or so, and you know that your chicken is ready when it goes a bit golden brown. So now I added my ingredients, which was curry powder, garam masala, black pepper and ginger, garlic, thyme. So I just put everything on the plate to make it easy for me, because if I had to take one ingredient after the other, it would have taken a bit longer. So whilst I was waiting for the chicken to cook up, I took a plate and just put out all the ingredients that I needed for the curry sauce. So quickly stirred that, added some coconut milk, creme fraiche, and water, gave it a good mix and tasted it, and it was just how I wanted it to be. I went ahead and loaded my dishwasher, wiped my kitchen top, cleaned down my kitchen cabinets, and just make sure that my kitchen was clean and tidy. I also stir fried some vegetables on the side, and it was time for me to serve dinner after making sure the kitchen is clean and tidy. So this is just a diary of a working mom, and if you like what you see, please do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.